don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote.
Hey guys, so today I'm filming a thrift haul, but right now I'm making oatmeal because I'm literally starving, and if I don't make food before I do the haul, then I will like probably die during the haul. Right now I'm heating up frozen berries in a pan instead of the microwave. I don't know why I'm doing that. I am in a really big rush and I honestly don't really have time to be doing any of this. But I really want to film a thrift haul anyway, so we're gonna try to do that. It's gonna be like a little mukbang haul hybrid. Also, I usually always have my siblings in my hauls with me, but right now they're both in school, so I decided that instead of having my siblings in my haul, I will just make a bowl of oatmeal, and the bowl of oatmeal will be a pretty close replacement to both of my siblings. So okay guys, let's have a look at my beautiful oatmeal. Ooh, she matches my shirt. Oh my goodness, look at her. If you guys want my oatmeal recipe, give this video a nice thumbs up and I will maybe do a what I eat in a day. Let me taste my oatmeal before I like die. That's so good. Oh, I don't even want to do the haul. I just want to like sit here and like eat the oatmeal, but I will do my job. Oh, this is an interesting one to start out with. Okay, so like multiple weeks ago, I was thrift shopping. This is like a very collective thrift haul. Sorry if my disgusting oatmeal noises are bothering you. Look at this shirt that I got. I'm obsessed. I love this.
I don't really care about school, as you guys all know.
Is my camera battery seriously gonna die right now? That is not allowed. Why are you doing that? This is literally, oh, let me do outfit of the day. This shirt's also thrifted. Ooh, not a good move. Purple, LL Bean, I cropped it. This belt's Brandy Melville. My pants are Princess Polly. I got foundation on them this morning. God help, dear Lord help, I got foundation on them. I'm also gonna make this like a try on because I think that that would be the most beneficial so that you guys can like see how the clothes look when they are on. This one needs to be washed. First, I got this Nike hoodie and it did have a pocket before, and then I cropped off the pocket, so now it is in fact pocketless. Then I got some of these wife beater type tank tops and I cropped them myself also so that they look kind of like Brandy Melville tank tops. We got it in white, we got it in gray, and we got it in navy blue. Then we got some mock necks because every time we go to the thrift store, you know that we just target that mock neck section. We got one in, I'm going through this like, I'm just like, I got this and this and this. No, this is not fun to look at the mock necks right now. Okay, whatever, I'll just show them. Red mock neck, cropped, awesome. Gray mock neck or gray turtleneck, also cropped and awesome. Wore this in my last college get ready with me. Okay, then this one's beautiful. This one I did not crop because it is too nice for me to crop it. Khaki Timberland, like small turtleneck. It will look really good on like a boy just because it's like bigger. Nah, I'm not good. You know what? Yeah, it will look good on anyone. But it does have pretty broad shoulders on here that don't really fit me, so it does look a little bit big, but like it's fine. Like if you wear it with like white pants, you look like a painter, or like, I don't know where I'm going with that. You look like very urban. Then I love this piece. I absolutely love this. Look at this. I found a Carhartt jacket. The arms are very short in length, like toddler length arms kind of, but like it still fits me like just perfectly. Love the Carhartt jacket. On that same kind of like canvasy thick material note, I got this. It smells like pennies and like nickels and like pennies and nickels and quarters and dimes. It literally smells like old metal and like the, oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm suffering. Can I die from inhaling this? What in the world? Okay, but it's really cool. It says like Route 69. It has like, honestly, we got a pretty good pace going on right now. So as long as I stick to it, we should be right on time. I almost forgot to say, I always like thrift like a ton of stuff, but I also like to sell a lot of the stuff that I thrift on my Poshmark. My Poshmark closet name is URMOMASHLEY, so I will write it out for you just in case you forgot how to spell that. Obviously it can be confusing. Obviously I know it's really hard to use the right form of your. By using the form your, I don't even have to worry about it. I'm gonna have some amazing things on there, such as super exciting, super fun. Click the link down below. Click the link, just click it. These ones are gonna be fun. These shirts I know are really fun. Some of these t-shirts, me and Amber accidentally cropped like really short. Okay, so this top, wow, is literally wildly short. So I guess I'll probably be using this as like a beach cover up. I just remember there's a shirt in my closet that I forgot to grab. Let me go grab it right now. Look at this white crop top, it's so cute, but like it's cropped like really short. You can see like my under boob if I like. Well, honestly in this shirt you can see it too, but in this shirt it's worse. This shirt ends right underneath my boobs. It's really short, and next time I will be more careful when I'm cutting my t-shirts. Okay, so I got this one bright pink. I tried to cut it cool, so like I cut off like the bottom of the pocket because I thought that that would be like really like interesting and unique. So that shirt's like super interesting and also unique. Then I got this beige t-shirt. This one just looks really nice. It's like really wrinkly right now. Oops. Trader Joe's raw almond butter. There is literally nothing else like it. That is the best almond butter I've ever had in my entire life. Stop right there. Oh my god, I have like literally the most exciting thing to show you. Let me just put my whole ass in the screen first. Okay, I think I got all of it. This girl reached out to me on Instagram. Her Instagram is, I'll add it right here. It's at Eclat Vintage. I'm definitely butchering the name. Here's the at Eclat Vintage. Basically, so she like reworks clothes that like she like thrifts and stuff like that. And so I got it right here. This is obviously non-spawn. I just literally thought that her stuff was so cool. I wanted to show it to you guys. She sent me literally the most amazing thing. So right here I have this Lacoste t-shirt. She like cinched it. It's literally beautiful. Do you see that? Also, look how fancy this is. This is literally so cool. It's like this off the shoulder top. And it's like a Nike off the shoulder top, but it has like this faux leather like clasp. I'm so excited about that. Then lastly, she sent me this matching set, which is amazing. Okay, so look, this like was just one big sweatshirt, but she turned it into like this crop top. Look at, she made these shorts out of the bottom of the sweatshirt. I'll link her like Etsy shop down below also, but like the thing's phenomenal. Let's keep going. My oatmeal is almost done. I love to drink water with two hands like a baby. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the rest of the haul like this. So my next item is my camera cutout. So unfortunately I'm not gonna be doing my haul like that. Psych, you thought. I love to say psych. Just kidding, you thought. Okay, so the next item is this leopard top. Look at this. I'm not sure if I put this in my last thrift haul or not. This little leopard mock neck. It's pretty much like the same shape and size as this mock neck, which is red, but it has like a flowery design. Then this one is exciting. This one's really exciting. I wore this one in California on the dough trip, and I have like multiple pictures in this on my Instagram. Just this orange shirt that I cropped. This one is actually Amber's shirt. Amber chose this one and then I stole it from her. Ooh, lots of browns in here. I got this shirt for Andrew, but like he won't wear it, so like maybe I'll wear it. Obviously it's a little big on me because I chose it for Andrew. Okay, then I got this brown cardigan and I cropped it like super short. It's like kind of weird, but like I also kind of love it. This top is from Princess Polly. I didn't thrift that, like, obviously. Okay, then I have this mock neck or turtleneck. I feel like I've said mock neck at least like 100 times during this haul. This one's from LL Bean. There were a lot of LL Bean shirts there for some reason. Just cropped this one as well. It's striped, super adorable. I love it. It looks like a little bit like French. Guys, I'm doing the try on portion right now. I just realized I forgot to include like a couple of the shirts just because I like missed them in the pile. But so one of them is this shirt. You can't really tell here, but it's like a really light green color. Maybe you can tell in this. I attached my tripod to my oatmeal, so I'm really utilizing the oatmeal today. I think you can tell in this light that my shirt is like a green color and like not really white. It is oops, cropped pretty short, but okay, here's another green shirt that I missed. What's really funny is I have another shirt that I got in my last thrift haul that looks like this, and like these look like pretty similar, don't they? When I saw that, I thought it was so funny. Wow, I'm really tired. Okay, so I have two more items. I have these white pants. Andrew found these white pants for me. They're these like Nike white pants. I don't know if you can see, like they're like an interesting texture. They're like kind of see-through, so like I would have to wear like Nike Pros under them. And then my last thing is this green shirt. It has like an interesting like double layer collar, and it's just big and green. The oatmeal is done. The oatmeal is gone. Okay, well anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel. I'll try to do what I eat in a day so you guys can see how I make my oatmeal. I'll try to do a lookbook so you guys can see how I styled some of my clothes right there. If you guys want to go check out my Poshmark, click the link down below. Make sure to double tap the like button, double tap the subscribe button. Make sure to click confirm when it asks you to unsubscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.